Hello and welcome to Anne Furbank. You may have guessed it, it's holiday time again. So this week I'm actually sort of planning and looking forward to my next holiday. Those that follow me will have probably seen my Budapest, which was fantastic. I would highly recommend. This one is a little trip to Porto at the end of May. It started out with a little weekend away with my brother and my sister. So the three of us, it was meant to be a walking weekend. The two of them got together, had a couple of glasses of wine. The next minute I got pinged through the flight that I needed to book. So we're off to Porto. I'm definitely not complaining because actually while we have had a little bit of warmth now, I am really looking forward to getting a bit of sunshine and that warmth on my skin. So Porto, I am heading. Again, I am flying. I have got hand luggage only. So as always, you know me, I don't like to travel heavy. I like to travel light and pack the wardrobe that will all work together, the pieces that will work together. So I'm starting off because quite often a handbag is quite important when you're traveling. I've got probably a little bit bigger than usual, but this is a canvas bag. This is one of the Sixton canvas bags. It's £45. Great to get a pop of colour as well. But because it's that canvas, it's really lightweight. It's also got a little crossbody strap in there. It's got little handy details. I can pop my keys or bits that I need to keep safe on that little key tag there. But it's also big enough because I'm reading up a little bit on Porto, like I like to read up, and apparently it could rain. Needs to be big enough for the brolly. So it's going to be sunny, fingers crossed, it'll hopefully be sunny and warm, but you might get the spot of rain. So I wanted to get a bag that actually would accommodate a little brolly that I could pop in there. So the Sixton bag, £45. But travelling, as you know, it is all about layers. It's all about having those cozy bits because you get a bit hot in the airport, maybe a bit cooler on the plane, hot when I'm getting there. So I have got the layers. I've got this lovely little wee gilet. It's cropped, it's short, brilliant and perfect actually, because this will work right through the year because I can pop this under a coat in the winter as well, just giving me that extra coziness. But the little wee gilet, £169. And because I'm feeling summery, I wanted to go for a little bit of colour. So I've picked out some pieces from the Mark Kane collection, this latest holiday story. There's a lot of pieces that you can really kind of mix and match, creating different looks, get a real coordinated look, or just pick item pieces from there just to really kind of lift your wardrobe, highlight those colours and give that pop of colour to your wardrobe. But the scarf, it's a linen scarf, it's £109. Really useful, A, because it's got the colours, but B, because you get a lot of fabric. So if I get chilly on the plane, then I've got that cover over the top of my arms. The little top underneath, the little sweatshirt top, cap sleeve, nice, it's got the hood as well, as you can see. Little Mark Kane details, as they like to do, with the little tassel, and the great colour palette down here. So really shouting some of colour. This top is £229. It's also good if I wanted to wear a long sleeve underneath it, because I could have the layering there. And my jeans, these are the Mark Kane. You can see the width on these. So they are a crop. So ankle grazer above the ankle, they're £179. They're a cotton denim, so they are the cotton fabric, so nice if it is warmer. The wider leg also, you get that nice kind of cool, it's not grippy as well. Really quite a culotte style, so really nice and wide on the leg there. And they are high rise, so coming right up high into the waist as well. And I'm not sure if you're able to pick out, but just down here, it's got this lovely embroidered floral detailing there on the leg. So again, those attention to details that Mark Kane do so well, £179. It's a weekend away, it's exploring, it's in a city, one of the most popular cities, destinations actually in Europe, apparently. So I've got my sneakers. trusty K&S sneakers, neutral tone. I've gone for the grey and the white on these, just keep it quite nice and neutral because I've gone for lots of pops of colour. So day one travelling, not sure because it's a late-ish flight, not sure I'll get much chance to do the exploring, but I might get a chance for a little glass of wine as I arrive.